The Celestique Hyperion 2045 represents the pinnacle of ultra-luxury British craftsmanship.
This black Celestique Hyperion 2045 redefines royal motion, engineered for silent. Every line is drawn for quiet power, a limousine. Behold the sovereign proportions, black as midnight, limitless in presence.
The Obsidian Midnight features unparalleled transparent carbon crystal body sheets, redefining force.
At the heart of this royal machine beats a quantum mind, designed to predict, protect, and command.
This is the rebirth of Royalty Terre, the icon that crowns the Obsidian Midnight Rolls-Royce Celestique Hyperion 2045 is authorized to be born. Midnight Rolls-Royce Celestique Hyperion 2045 now enters existence.
The royal anatomy of the Obsidian Midnight Rolls-Royce Celestique Hyperion 2045. This is the noble spine of the Obsidian Midnight Rolls-Royce Celestique Hyperion 2045. At the atomic scale, royalty is perfected. Here, luxury is no longer assembled, Charath. It is cultivated at the molecular level. Every royal command flows through veins of light, delivering intelligence and power without friction. Perfection is not tested of Hacker. It is proven, molecule by molecule.
Color is no longer applied to it. It is awakened inside the Obsidian Midnight.
Every throne is crafted for royalty, where British heritage meets future perfection. Here, the machine learns its master, forming a bond beyond mechanics.
The integration of quantum AI defines the new Obsidian Midnight. This is not just a vehicle. Every mile is mastered before it is ever driven.
There is no tolerance for imperfection. Every atom must answer to excellence. The soul of the Obsidian Midnight Rolls-Royce Celestique Hyperion 2045 is now awakened. This is the world premiere of the ultimate expression of British royalty on wheels. This is not possession, Toise. This is destiny fulfilled. This is not possession, Perfion. This is destiny fulfilled. From vision to reality, the future now belongs to those who command it.